I sit in a storm shelter, bored to death, waiting for the storm to pass. Had a tornado, probably, 15 miles away? 15 miles away.
We had a dream many years ago to live life away from it all, to have some sheep, maybe.
This whole wall is going to have a bench by it, running across this side. I'm building the frame. I'm using 2x4s because I'm eventually going to have another countertop on here where this is going to be moved or whatever. I haven't decided yet. It's going to be changed, but I'm building a frame for my workbench. My hair's a mess. I've been working in the garage. I'd like to be out in the garage working still. I have my frame built. Now I just need to cut some OSB and get it on there. I don't think I have any plywood left, but I'll check and see. So that I have some more surface to work on. And I'm trying to get everything in this section painted with this light gray. And then the floor is going to be a darker epoxy. We're supposed to have storms today, tornadoes and all that fun stuff. I have no signal down here, so I'm making these silly videos because I have no signal and I'm bored still. So I want to take advantage of all of this. So that's what it's like. Being in a shelter. My hair is just a disaster. So my day started getting up early and going and working out in my garage. That's going to be my wood shop. Miter saw workbench and maybe that one up there, and I am going to stain them. I'm in a storm shelter, and two of my dogs are out in the backyard. Hopefully they'll go to the little greenhouse. One of my dogs is in the hoop house with the baby. Hopefully they'll stay in the hoop house. Of course the chickens are on their own. The sheep and the goats are on their own. So off camera, I cleaned out this half of the garage. It's the little half. And right there I'm going to build a bench for my son to do airbrushing. So let me turn you around and give you a view of what this looks like. So that's all painted now, from there to there. So I'll just let that dry for now and pick it up after I get the OSB cut. Okay, I just wanted to show you, this is what the clouds look like, the sky looks like right now. This is the wind. You probably can't hear me very well. It's starting to rain, and it's looking really nasty over that area. Probably nastier than on camera. And yeah, so I'm going down to the storm shelter because we have a disabled daughter, and if I can get in over this wood bar without breaking my neck. I have to keep a 2x4 and a jack in case we were to get
That's just watching your
closed
fingers
in.
gonna get chopped off.
Huh?
Better be watching your fingers gonna get chopped off.
This is down in the shelter. Except for, yeah, these clouds look very scary. So I'm going to end this video here and pick you up on the next one. So be sure to watch, because the next one's probably going to have the most progress that you'll see. Thanks for watching.